Join me as I dive into the world of AI tools to see if they really are stealing virtual assistant jobs right now. The rise of AI tools has revolutionized the way we work, and virtual assistant jobs are no exception. As we increasingly rely on technology to streamline tasks and boost productivity, it's only natural to wonder if AI is taking over the role of human virtual assistants. In today's tech-driven world, this is a conversation we need to have. There's no denying that the idea of AI tools replacing human virtual assistants is a concerning one. The fear of losing one's job to a machine is a very real anxiety for many people. As AI technology advances, it's natural to wonder if human virtual assistants will soon be redundant. The job market is already precarious, and the thought of AI tools taking over entire industries can be unsettling. The uncertainty is palpable, and many are left wondering what the future holds for their careers. Will AI tools eventually make human virtual assistants obsolete? It's a question that's on everyone's mind. The fear of being replaced by a machine is a very human fear, and it's one that we need to address head-on. As we debate the potential consequences of AI tools in virtual assistant roles, it's essential to acknowledge the significant impact this technology has already had on the job market. The lines between human and machine are blurring, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to define what tasks are better suited to humans versus AI tools. The uncertainty is understandable, but it's crucial to separate fact from fiction. Are AI tools really stealing virtual assistant jobs, or are they creating new opportunities? AI tools are currently being used in virtual assistant roles to perform tasks such as email management, data entry, and customer service. These tools can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, making them ideal for repetitive tasks. For instance, AI-powered chatbots can handle a high volume of customer inquiries simultaneously, freeing up human virtual assistants to focus on more complex issues. While AI tools are certainly capable of performing certain tasks more efficiently, they're not without their limitations. They lack the emotional intelligence and empathy that human virtual assistants bring to the table, making them better suited to supporting human workers rather than replacing them. AI tools are also being used to augment human virtual assistants, providing them with valuable insights and data to make better decisions. For example, AI-powered analytics tools can help virtual assistants identify patterns and trends in customer behavior, enabling them to provide more personalized support. This collaboration between human and machine is where the true value lies, as it allows virtual assistants to focus on high-level tasks that require creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills. While AI tools are certainly changing the nature of virtual assistant jobs, they're not necessarily replacing human workers. According to industry experts, AI is creating new opportunities for virtual assistants to upskill and reskill, enabling them to take on more complex and creative tasks. In fact, a recent study found that 80% of virtual assistants believe that AI has improved their job satisfaction, as they're able to focus on more meaningful work. However, it's also important to acknowledge that AI is displacing certain tasks, and virtual assistants need to be prepared to adapt. The key to success lies in embracing this change and recognizing the value that human workers bring to the table. As one industry expert put it, AI is not a replacement for human virtual assistants, but rather a powerful tool that can help them achieve more. In summary, the impact of AI on virtual assistant jobs is complex and multifaceted. While AI tools are certainly changing the nature of these roles, they're not necessarily stealing jobs. Instead, they're creating new opportunities for virtual assistants to upskill, reskill, and focus on more creative and high-level tasks. What are your thoughts on AI in the job market? Share your comments below and be sure to check out my other videos for more insights on the future of work.